Juggling dynamite. Understanding a challenging English idiom. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have an interesting phrase to explore. Juggling dynamite. This phrase is a vivid idiom in English, and understanding it can really spice up your language skills. So, let's dive in and unpack what it means to juggle dynamite in English. Juggling dynamite is an idiom that paints a picture of someone literally tossing dynamite sticks in the air, as a juggler would. However, in English, it's used metaphorically to describe a situation or action that is extremely risky or dangerous. It implies that the person involved in this action is taking a big gamble, where the stakes are high, and the margin for error is slim. Understanding where idioms come from can often help us remember and use them more effectively. The phrase, juggling dynamite, likely originated from the visual and dramatic nature of the action it describes. Dynamite is a powerful explosive, and juggling it would be incredibly dangerous. This idiom might not have a specific historical origin, but it's easy to imagine why this imagery would be used to describe a risky endeavor. To get a better grasp, let's look at some examples. 1. Starting a new business without any prior experience is like juggling dynamite. Here, it implies that starting a business is risky and challenging. 2. Investing all your savings in one stock is like juggling dynamite. This sentence uses the idiom to express the danger of putting all your financial resources into a single investment. When using juggling dynamite in conversation, it's important to match the idiom to situations that are truly risky or have high stakes. Overusing it or applying it to minor risks might dilute its impact. It's a powerful phrase that should be used to emphasize the gravity of a situation. And that's all about juggling dynamite. Remember, idioms like this one add color and depth to our conversations and can really showcase your proficiency in English. We hope this video has been enlightening and helps you confidently use this idiom in your own conversations. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.